Would you? Mr. Frazier, you're charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Officers were dispatched to burglary of a motor vehicle. CW, the complaining witness Hargrove and complaining witness Vargas stated that their backpacks were stolen from their work truck. They stated that their vehicle was unlocked. A witness was able to provide ring camera footage showing a suspect walking across the street to the vehicle. A few minutes afterwards, it was found that complaining witness Hargrove's phone was used to send $400 via Cash App from the complaining witness Hargrove's to the defendant. Officers were able to use this transaction to get a picture of the defendant through the Cash App. The complaining witness Hargroves sent this photo to a cousin and said that a friend knew the defendant from high school. Officers looked on social media sites and matched the pictures to the Cash App account.
Okay. Mr. Frazier, so you also had a theft case. I didn't realize. So you're charged with theft. You're also charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward on both of your cases. When was this? Was this in the middle of the night?
Sorry, George, 2:23.
So 2:22 in the afternoon. Okay. Mr. Frazier, I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will put you in jail. Do you understand? I'm going to do everything in my power to protect every single person of Harris County. And if that means making you bond really high and putting you in custody, I'm going to do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
How old are you, sir?
I work at a nursing home.
So you do work.
Yes.
Do you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, sir? Okay. Deputy Miranda is going to give you an application for an appointed lawyer. I'm going to have you supervised. You're not to be in possession of any weapons as well. Do you understand? I'm telling you, behave yourself while you're out there in the free world, because if you don't, the free world will be taken from you. Mr. Frazier, I think that you make too much money to have a court-appointed lawyer. Do you not, where do you live at home with mom or dad, or who do you live with? Yeah, I mean, you make a lot of money and you have literally no expenses, so I can't really give you one. So what we'll do is we'll give you time to hire a lawyer, and then we'll have you sign a reset. There's a gajillion and one lawyers out there. It's getting on the phone, interviewing one, finding one that you like. 99% of lawyers will put you on a payment plan as you go. So you just couple $100 here, there, however, like anything in life, you get what you pay for though, right? They're the Mercedes-Benz of lawyers, and then you got the Yugo of lawyers. So just be careful, all right? Don't be a danger to my city, man. You know what I mean? Really. All right, come on. Oh, he already? So I guess we need him to sign conditions.
Right, so those just
Okay, yeah, just take seat. We'll have a few conditions, then you're gone.
Yes, sir. How you doing this morning? I apologize for being late.
It's okay. I'm
Yes,
glad
sir.
you made it.
I'm just glad I was able to call and let you know because I was gonna come, no matter if I had to start
You're here now.
walking.
That's what matters.
Yes, sir. Amen.
Tell me your last name again.
Gary, Gary. My name.
Stop. Don't, please. You have the right to remain silent. Exercise that right. I have a bunch of DAs here, and whatever you say, that they can try to use it against you. So that we'll talk here momentarily, and then I'll let you get out. But I just don't want you to say something that hurts you, So, Miss Gary, you're charged with assault of a family member. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
On February 16th, 2025, within Harris County, Texas, officers were dispatched to a disturbance. The officers made contact with the defendant, who stated that she and the complainant were in a dating relationship. The defendant stated that she and the complainant were in a verbal argument when she stated that she did not like his comments. And the defendant stated that she assaulted him by punching, biting, and scratching him. The complainant stated that there was a physical altercation and that his injuries were in fact from the defendant. The officer observed several scratches, bite marks, and bruises on the complainant's body.
What is the relationship? Do you know?
They were in a dating relationship since October 1st, 2024.
Okay, so Ms. Gary, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm granting a protective order. This is a protective order that identifies Mr. Ovanian as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where he lives or where he works. Do you understand? This is a very serious court order that if you violate, the state can and probably will file a violation of a protective order against you. It's one of the worst cases you can pick up. So just don't. Now, would you like me to provide you with a lawyer? Okay, I will give you a lawyer today. Everything that you wanted to tell it to the lawyer, and then they can, if need be, come and talk to me and we can try to resolve any issues that may come. I'm afraid of what you would say to me. They're going to hear it. It's probably not a good thing, you know? Do you have any other questions?
I can go to jail for a year.
That's the potential punishment in this type of case. It's up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. That is an assault. And this type of assault.
Yes, sir.
So, but that doesn't mean it's going to happen. You know, it just the potential. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So I need you to fill out an application for me though. So Deputy Echegoyen is going to give me an application. I just need you to fill it out. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions, and then I'll have you talk to a lawyer here.
So am I still, do I have to pay anything on the PR bond?
No,
Okay, thank
not
you.
paying anything.
Thank you. Oh, well, they said I had a $90 court fee.
Don't listen to them.
God bless you, sir.
Good morning.